Hi, I'm Chris Bischoff for United Pacific. Today we are going to take a look at our wide variety of classic car and truck mirrors that feature LED turn signal arrows in the glass. These mirrors are made exactly like the original mirrors with a beautiful die-cast metal chrome-plated mirror head and arm, and includes the mounting hardware kit. What sets these mirrors apart is the mirror has a hidden LED turn signal that gives drivers in the next lane a mid-vehicle indication of a lane change. These LED mirrors are available for your classic Ford Mustang, classic Bronco, Chevrolet Tri-5, Camaro, Chevelle, and Chevy and GMC truck. Installation is exactly the same as the original mirror with the addition of a small wire. The wire simply taps into the turn signal switch wire under the dash, allowing the LED arrow to blink with the turn signal. We also make universal peep mirrors that can be used on any car or truck. They have the LED turn signal in the mirror glass and clamp onto the door edge for an easy upgrade.
If you need assistance, support is available at faq.upauto.com. You can find our products at any United Pacific dealer or visit our website at truck.upauto.com.